Nexlev.io is making a lot of buzz recently, and it is for a very good reason. It contains all the tools that you need to grow your YouTube channel. It uses AI to find untapped niches on YouTube. The Chrome extension of Nexlev is also filled with premium features. It can help you find similar channels, check any channel monetization, and much more. And to be honest, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By the end of this video, you'll know everything about this tool. And if you are planning to buy this tool, then make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Let's get started. First, let's have a look at the key features of this software. AI Niche Finder. This is one of the most impressive features of Nexlev.io, as it will save hundreds if not thousands of hours that you normally spend researching on different YouTube niches. Monetization Checker. Nexlev Chrome extension can detect whether a YouTube channel is monetized or not. The accuracy of this feature is questionable, as I've seen many times that it shows wrong data. Auto ad placement. If you are running multiple YouTube channels or making longer YouTube videos, then this feature can be a time saver for you. You see, videos that are longer than 8 minutes needs manual ad placing. Nexlev automates this part, and you can insert ads in your entire video with just a click of a button. RPM Predictor. Nexlev predicts RPM, revenue per mile, for any niche. And believe it or not, this feature is pretty accurate. So this will help you plan your channel strategy and how you should go about it. Script Analyzer. Want to summarize a YouTube video script? Well, Nexlev can help you with this one too. The Video Script Summarizer actually grabs the video script and then summarizes it in a very easy-to-understand language. Thumbnails. Whether you want to download a thumbnail from YouTube or want to grab a specific part of a video frame, Nexlev is the one that'll do the work for you. It can also help with thumbnails A/B tests and check how many thumbnails are used in a video. Competitor research. With the help of Nexlev Chrome extension, you'll be able to find competitors to any YouTube channel. And then you can analyze their channel, compare it with your channel, and then make improvements. These are some of the most important features of Nexlev. Apart from these features, Nexlev offers 15 more features that are really interesting. User experience on Nexlev.io. Nexlev has only 41 reviews on Trustpilot, with an average rating of 4.3, which is not too impressive at first glance. But when you go to their Discord server, you'll realize that there are hundreds and thousands of people who are actively using this tool and also happy with the services they are receiving. Customer support and service at Nexlev.io. Nexlev customer support is a lot better than before. Earlier, they used to take a lot of time getting back to the customers. But at the time of making this video, the customer support is much better. However, there is no live chat support available at this moment, which means that you'll need to rely on email replies, which does take more time. Based on my experiences and based on customer reviews, these are some pros and cons that you need to be aware of. All right, now let's have a look at the pricing plans of Nexlev and see if it provides the value for money. Nexlev.io mainly offers two different pricing plans. The first plan is the lifetime deal of the Niche Finder tool that costs $565 as a one-time purchase. They also have a YouTube course that costs the same amount, and you can also purchase them together at a discounted price. Other than that, it has a Chrome extension that follows the freemium plan option. You can use some of its features, such as monetization checker, thumbnail grabber, etc., for absolutely free. But to get access to all of its features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which costs between $10 to $15 per month. You'll also get a 14-day trial of the Nexlev Chrome extension, which will give you enough time to explore this tool. You can use coupon Nexlev20 to get a 20% discount on your order. The coupon is applicable to every plan and Chrome extension. Nexlev competitors. Nexlev is a very unique tool and one of its kind. There is no direct competition to this tool at this moment. There are some other tools that offer similar features, but they can't be considered as the competitor of Nexlev. Final verdict. Is Nexlev.io worth it? If we only look at the features, this tool is absolutely worth it. However, you need to keep in mind that this tool is in its beta stage, which means that you'll face some technical errors, bugs, and cooldown period while using this tool. So make sure to join their Discord server for priority support. Since Nexlev.io is still in its beta stage, it also means that this tool is only going to improve from this point on, which means that the pricing plans can increase in the future. So if you are planning to buy Nexlev, make sure to take action now. The Chrome extension offers a 14-day free trial, so make sure to try this as well. The Niche Finder tool is perfect for finding untapped niches, and it is effective too. Overall, Nexlev offers top-notch solution for YouTube creators, and the features can save you a lot of time, which makes it a worthy tool in my opinion. If you've decided to buy Nexlev Niche Finder or the Chrome extension, then you can use the coupon code NEXLEV20. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.